Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to send the one text message and it shows not sent, tap to try again. So my text message is not sending. So how to fix this issue? So my point of view, this is happening for two possible reasons. And the one is if you send the text message, sometime your service provider may be charge some amount from your SIM card. So first of all check your main balance. So otherwise if you have a free text message, so no problem. And the second one of the reason is your SIM card network connection is not working properly. So anyway, how to troubleshoot this issue? So let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method is just open your settings and then go to SIM card and mobile data. So now it shows me dual SIM cards, but you can select your messaging SIM card, which means that here I try to send the text message via my SIM card 2. So I try to open the SIM card 2 and one time disable it and wait for a few seconds. So after the few seconds, just enable it. So and then go to preferred network type. So here always you can use 4G or 3G or 2G and the automatic mode, and this option very important one because if your area not have a 4G signal, it will automatically switch to 3G or 2G network. So just select it and then close all the settings window. So next you can locate that messages application and simply long press on it and it shows on pop-up screen. So here you can press app info and click to force stop this application and then go to storage usage and one time clear this entire app data. So once you done this processes, just one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, now one more time I try to access this messages application because I check it if the streak works or not. So now I try to send the one text message. But friends, now this time you can see my text message is successfully delivered. So the problem is with my network connection. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech Arts. And thanks for watching.